There's another little Paw Patrol chases police car, Kiddie rides. And yes, we're waiting for the countdown message also. So yeah. Yeah, I'm going to be reviewing this again actually. No thank you. There we go. Yeah. You have another leisure in 2017. But it was released in shopping centres and etc. in 2018. Unless for Nickelodeon Spin Master Limited. Yeah. But this video is dedicated to Jack. Oh yeah, this video is not just dedicated to Jack, it's also dedicated to Declan also. And he's done a video of trains also on his channel also. Yeah, there's a Falcon's fire engine over there and the Transformers rescue bots. I actually like this ride to be honest, because of the flashing lights. If you noticed. I love Chase's eyes. They suit it, really. I really like Chase's eyes. To be honest. Got to be honest here. Yeah, the summer still flashes though, if you can see. And that's another leisure code. Yeah, that was another leisure Paw Patrol chases police car, Kiddie ride.